Blaupunkt 10 inches speaker active subwoofer GTR 10150A can be placed in two different positions, standing or lay flat. It is built in with Class AB amplifier. In the box, you will find an active subwoofer that produces 380 watt max output power. Weighing at about 4 kilograms, GTR 10150A comes in 347 mm length, 262 mm width and 73 mm height. It also comes with a vent port design that increases the efficiency of the system when at low frequencies. Plug in the wired remoted provided in the box to adjust the gain. User manual is also included. High-level input cable. Screw and bracket for fittings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.